sauces from the Expo that I've been dying to try because I want to eat with them, and they were like my top picks over there after I went through the entire section. And one of the better sauces came from the Fuego Box booth. This is actually a Fuego Box exclusive, and it's Indian Summer from Jersey Barnfire. Very good sauce, ton of ingredients in there, so many that I'm gonna have to read these for you. Mustard, mustard seed, turmeric, paprika, brown sugar, mango, apple cider vinegar, Scotch bonnet mash, Scotch bonnet peppers. There's distilled white vinegar, molasses. There is anchovies, garlic clove, tamarind extract, chili pepper extract, and curry powder. Yeah, tons of stuff, but I did taste this there, and it was pretty awesome. So let me get this one open. I'm gonna taste this one and another one I picked up there. Let's see if I can get this open. For opening the seal. Let's give it a shake before I open it. Alright, it's too hot in here for that mess, but it's pretty shook up. So let's give this one a try. I tried it there, and it was very, very good. I think I tried it twice, maybe. Let's see. No flow restrictor. Pretty thick. I'm not gonna do too much right now. I didn't even have lunch yet. Just a little bit. Looks very good, nice and thick. If I can get my hand to stop shaking there. Smells great. You can smell a lot of stuff in there. Very nice sauce. Wow, very tangy. Man, it's just a great whirlwind of ingredients in there, man. Really good sauce. The heat is creeping up a little bit. It's not a very hot sauce, but yeah, very tasty. Can't wait to start eating with this one. And let's show this back. I don't know how you will get these because Fuego Box is a subscription based hot sauce deal, right? But it does say it's a Fuego Box exclusive, and it's Indian Summer by Jersey Barnfire. Looks pretty awesome, tastes pretty awesome. Nice consistency, very thick. Love this one. And another one of the four is this one, Queen Majesty. Queen Majesty. This is, I seen Dave review one of these, and this is red habanero and black coffee hot sauce. Also, very nice consistency, and you can see a lot of the ingredients in there. And some of the ingredients are organic coffee infused with vinegar, white vinegar. Then sweet onions, bell peppers, habanero peppers, apple cider vinegar with mother, balsamic vinegar. Oh, that sounds like my scorched earth has both those vinegars. There's garlic and ginger root and olive oil, salt and spices. And again, I tried this. I did try this. Alright. Sorry about that. Enough of that. No more shakes like that. But pretty shook up. Let's pour a little. Still kind of thick, even though it's running down. Still looks thick. Very nice smell. You can smell the onions there. Kind of a nice roasty taste, maybe from the coffee. Nice and chunky. Not as smooth as this Jersey Barnfire one. This has more of a chunky texture. Smells awesome. You can smell nice sweet onions and a lot of good ingredients. Oh yeah. Nice, nice vinegary. Has a nice even vinegar content. Probably a little more than I would use or prefer, but very good. Not this one's not terribly hot. Probably just a little less hotter than the Jersey one. This is the Queen Majesty. Another great sauce. I got two more. I'll try it another time. I'll start eating these two in the meantime, and I'll show you the rest when I'm ready to open them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.